Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are fine and enjoying good health. Today we are going to discuss independent and dependent clause. First of all, you must know what is clause. Clause is a group of words having subject and verb, and it conveys complete sense. So that group of words which conveys complete sense and have subject and verb is called clause. Now there are two types of clauses: independent clause and dependent clause. Independent clause is a group of words having subject and verb and express a complete thought. It is a sentence, or it is a sentence almost. For example, I write a letter. You go to Lahore. Did you take tea? He completes his work. This clause does not depend on other and it can stand on its own, meaning it does not need the help of any other clause. Now come towards dependent clause. Dependent clause is a group of words having subject and verb, but it does not express a complete thought, and in other words, we can say that it does not stand on its own. It needs some other clause to convey the complete message or thought. For example, because I like it, thus you will do, as he had not done. All these clauses are not conveying us the complete sense. So here I'm going to going to tell you an example of a dependent and independent clause. For example, I did not come to school because I was ill. In this sentence, I did not go to school is an independent clause. Because I was ill is dependent clause, and dependent clause always started with some conjunction, and those conjunction are called subordinate conjunction because it needs some other clause help to convey its message. So it will always start with some subordinate conjunction. I hope you have got my point. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.